In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an admin to your Instagram page. Now follow along because Instagram don't make this easy, but if you follow all of these steps, you'll have it set up in a couple of minutes. So what you need to do is go to your Instagram profile in the bottom right hand corner. Now for this to work, you're going to either need to be a business account or a creator account. So if you can see professional dashboard, then you're on the right track. If not, you need to go ahead and find a video which shows you how you can switch to a creator or a business account. So once you've done that, you want to go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then go to settings and privacy. From here, you should see the third one down is going to be for professionals, creator tools and controls. Go ahead and click on that. And then here you should see connect a Facebook page. Now you might be thinking, well, we're trying to add an admin here. How does a Facebook page help? So what actually we need to do is connect a Facebook page, and then all of the admins from that Facebook page can then access your Instagram account. It's kind of weird, but it's because it's linked with Meta. So just hear me out. Connect a Facebook page, then click continue, and then log in to Facebook. Then it's going to show you all of the Facebook pages that you've got, and you're going to have to create a new Facebook page. And what you can do is you can add admins to that Facebook page. So if you've already got a random Facebook page, use that one. I'm using KnowledgeBase, but you can create a new one here with this button. So go ahead and connect a Facebook page, and then it should then connect that Facebook page to your Instagram account. So we'll just wait for that to go through. Okay, so now that that has been connected, you want to go ahead and open up Facebook. So go ahead and just go to Facebook. And then once you're on Facebook, you want to go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and change to the Facebook page that you've connected. So I'm on my personal Facebook here. I'm going to switch to a KnowledgeBase. So now I'm on the KnowledgeBase page. We can go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see I'm using Facebook as KnowledgeBase. We can then go to the settings in the top right hand corner. And you can see linked accounts. We've got our account linked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go on page settings. Then we can scroll down and go to new page experience, and you want to go ahead and click on page access. And it says here, invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and add new people to access this Facebook page, which in turn is going to add them to access our Instagram page as well. It's a bit of a mission, but this is how Facebook want you to do it. So people with Facebook access, go ahead and add new. And you can see they'll be able to do any actions on this page. So go ahead and click next, and then you can go ahead and type in their name or email address here, click done, and then you'll send them an invite to be an admin. All they've got to do then is check their emails and accept that invite, and they'll then be an admin of that Facebook page, which in turn means they'll also be an admin to the Instagram page that you've linked. That's how you do it. I hope that video did help you out.